Well, this is the truth. Utterly Illuminati suni a frame in myopia, and then person me told me Bible and church and so. But before I say to us, person me mind same be clear to you so the beer. About him in church and I see. That you say the truth. Utterly Illuminati is sorry. I assume and I say yes, some sound whom me say Mercury God, the inner goddess, and a definite goddess. But you will Jesus Christ. And the entire what Jesus Christ himself. After saying Papa, mobile the good and bad energies. Now you home and say assume we are home omo embrace and as supported the kingdom of Lucifer and answer the kingdom of freedom. Because you him say ashasero na abakofo and a shisha mrama pim diso. So I home ni be feeling say mo nko asumo. And omo decided some fight for freedom. And after some more nya fan who no. Na ya home mo kan mo fight for freedom no be. So after say the Son of God, and I see Jesus Christ, Boba kwan to home and kabo mu biem no. Ahom ye we my dream so make am ho bom. Mama embrace and some supported the kingdom of Christ. Because I've said the kingdom of Christ, it goes with freedom and justice. Obia, and I say everybody is free to do the opposite way, but it goes with justice. Them can't just say so. And the issue say Australia assassin by Australia assassin, and Brandon Kabum a walk a home in them. So Australia assassin be here, assumed you, there be a nije dear. Then unless say in Kabum Nasaba back. So ya who Edwin who say I was some come boom, no more embrace this kind of kingdom. So the truth utterly Illuminati is Jesus Christ. You didn't say or any the Alpha and the Omega God. And I said the only Son of God. And I can say Jesus Christ is the Alpha. And I said the only Son of God that means they refer Jesus Christ as the same as Adam. Because they say in them say Adam any impa ashase. And in him say only Adam and Eve came from God. And I say only Adam and Eve that was created by God. Yeah, free. I want to assume. See the Indian say Cain and Abel was never created by God, but they came through the connection between Adam and Eve. So Cain and Abel was made through Adam and Eve, but Cain and Abel was never created by God. They can't say. So I can say the only Son of God that we refer as the only Son of God that then they refer Jesus Christ as the same as Adam. Because Adam is the only man that came from God. So the truth utterly Illuminati is Jesus Christ is this here. On one Adam, the who no akwaba. Na nkoba ni bine Noah. So Onyadin Savior during his time of Noah pencil. Because of say I be pain. Na yesane mane. So the truth utterly Illuminati, Jesus Christ Jesus say, "Krana eti Adam no, sa krana eti Jesus Christ no, na sa krana eti Noah mu. Ne sa Jesus sa krana eti Abraham emu. Na yesa Jesus sa krana eti Jacob. I best say the din Israel is the same so. Because we were saying the park we are, omu holding the same title. Adam was the father of all nations during the beginning, and Noah became the father of all nations after the flood. No, you didn't say we are seeing a being shara. Oh, Noah didn't. And Adam is the father of all nations. After some pemu baya, inipa baya kwa no. The Lord no, and Adam so per se the Oma. Nem pese im na free Adam so them can say so Adam is the father of all nations. Say the Bible no I clarify Adam no And after Jacob, the Lord described Jacob as the firstborn son. Exodus chapter 4, verse 22. Exodus chapter 4, verse 22. The Lord described Jacob, and I said, I verse and Israel as the firstborn son. And he said, the firstborn son is the same as Adam. Adam is the firstborn son. So the truth outside Illuminati and a better try and church so. Now, main focus now, and I say a title here, how are the modern nature now introduce freedom and justice to the world. And I say we introduce freedom and justice through Adam and Eve. So in our previous video, we say if we are to be a bed home, based in Yame, after say or then some nam if so. After that, no be a bed home, a base in Yame. Omo bedi omo ho ademe if bedi omo ho ebeye esi nyame na yesa be so be hunu se we aso bia bedi no ho ntino if we asen so person minkunye ntino ya ma basa ya na se wickedness e ko so na onam Adam so obey Noah ebeji wi ase ma wi ase na be nshira so that time you see be drew after the flood no. Now after the flood you be who say o can Bible now after the flood after say Noah saved the world from dying no that man no nyankopon bi ni ho oba ni nipa be nyankita wodie after the can Bible no most was stable of nation and a we be we because I said not that time nipa is free to do the opportunity oye bia no munya be nshira we ba kofo din mu omu so munya ba kofo sana no wa ye de church de omu to na papa mo bia de eni ho bi ama nipa benyini be sha sase yesu ma biem na afi de nipa ya ma bi se o ma kosoro akọ making name to themselves ana yin yan so nim se asase no na ejana ho de ba asase so no enipa bedi omo ho a omo ya ma so be bibia de omo pem through their name as through omo de omo hwehwem no said the after sa Adam if no papa na bono after no mo kata omo ko so mo fere omo ho dam dem kwa na so mo de san ba asase so kwa nipa be hu papa na bone making name to themselves and as making name for themselves no omo na ejana ntem tete. So be too dangerous say nipa be kwasoro ho akọ making name to themselves. So the mother nature no confuse nipa adwen with different languages. Or confuse nipa adwen with different languages. Now after that no nipa be ni based on their differences no. So mu be ni be ya amai omo bedini ya ma kwasa ma we ka etene nyoko kasa na o ma transfer busua da me na busua bo e ba ya mo nyina be ya oman afina differences e dey asa ba wiase biem na e wiase gini ko duru se afide na oman e so ri ti aman dem ka chese so say dem link catch in my previous video say the mother nature na ne person we aso bia bede no ho but say the bakofo be kwot team de na nje ho because you say ye nti are fighting for the freedom ni na say no bakofo de na pede de tete no nti say obi de na pede be tete ni nko na say obakosi ni nya de musuo de mano so na adwen say obafa nipa bakoso ama wiase nyina de abeye nshida ana after the flood be hunu say the mother nature no ahye bo say ombu nipa tempim so the nipa yi bia de hote ana de nti ni nipa ntemo betete be ya mama differences be nipa mu yen say no person mo kosoro omo ben ye ja no no ko making name to themselves so na I was say oyo ma pedie ma omo say de be ya create nipa bia mu padua bia mu de e beto ne yem So when I just be friend pa baako so na wa prepare no adi na kwa agye n'anim ahwe say obe accept na odi ni nhia be ma na so ye be hwe say hwan na so when ye be hwe how are the mother nature no the number baako for so and also prepare baako for and then meet the father no because of say no so them ning kan the father no on accept nipa or keep possession and so pre be there e woni pem so o kind of the bible now after the father what say then me be when nipa be there be yan kita on there now the very first person after the father no the god of that time no be in who di biem che no aye Abraham so kind Genesis chapter 12 verse 1 to 3 now I say the Lord has said to Abraham, go from your country, your people, and your father's household to the land I will show you. I will make you into a great nation, and I will bless you. I will make your name great, and you'll be a blessing. I will bless those who bless you, and whoever curses you, I will curse. And all people on earth will be blessed through you. So the mother nature answered the God of that time. Ebe ni hu edi kire Abraham. Be say ni be Abraham. Na wase ne sem pan na chi no mfiri papa fie. Na onko asase obe de obe che no so. No kodu asase no so obe ma na be ni pakese na amana man be firi ni mu ade aba. Na wiase nyina be nhira woni dinim. So Abraham the ose yo said the God of that time ne ehye no na ofidi asase ne goduru asase na he kire no so do koduru no the god of that time no asa be in who adi kire no na osha Abraham bobiem o kan verse 7 na say he also said to him, I am the Lord who Genesis chapter 12 verse 7 I say the Lord appeared to Abraham and said, to your offspring I will give this land. So he built another altar there to the Lord who appeared to him. So after say Abraham could do Canaan as so the God of that time said be who the actually be the catch and say or the Canaan assassin there ebe man. So after that no okan ba bunabon say Abraham called Egypt ko bobra adin ma Pharaoh ko fa na yere Sarah ho sensem mani free Egypt ho ene ne wo fa say Lot ne nkwa ne Lot nkwa benya asem bibribe ni all those things for so many years na Abraham ni ba for so many years na Abraham ni ba and Adrumrebia, the God of that time, you know, did Abraham, and no son of Humrane, na Adam, I requested Buffino, because Samuel, now Abraham obeyed the 4 hour yan say in Shira, the God of that time, I demand in or I didn't know yan, but no niba. Now, or requested Buffy, the God of that time, no, now, was sincere by Yaman said, your now, after that, no, Abraham could boost her the God of that time and said, to see what's been maybe as in show me meeting. So Abraham I could request from the God and say, I pay a day no who say a bed then who say we are seeing a being showing it dinner. Then the God of that time no Emma Abraham make sacrifice. Said it be a being who say how this made only possession of Canaan assassin so can Genesis chapter 15 now chapter 15 no chapter 15 verse 8. But Abraham said, Sovereign Lord, how can I know that I shall gain possession of it? Adam Gubusa said, Beden who say, and Canaan assassi de, ebe nidia, because I said, Samuel, now the God of that time, the son of Manager Abraham. Okay, verse 7. I see. You also said to him, I am the Lord who brought you out of Uriah to the Chaldeans to give you this land to take possession of it. And now Abraham said, but I said, verse 8, I said, but Abraham said, Sovereign Lord, how can I know that I shall gain possession of it? So Abraham requested, said, but then who say, obey gain possession of Canaan's arsenal, the Canaan's arsenal be in share on the and I said, Canaan's arsenal, obey the dinimo. And the God of that time, no, Emma Abraham make his sacrifice. Okay, verse now I say, the Lord told him, bring me 3 years old heifer, a 3 years old female goat, and a 3 years old ram, a dove and a young pigeon. Now Abraham this animal we united every bar for the God of that time. So after for the God of that time be a Adam. So we can do chapter 12 where as the sun was setting, Abraham fell into a deep sleep, and a thick and dreadful darkness came over him. And the Lord appeared to him. Know for certain that for 400 years your descendants will be strangers in a country not their own, and that they will be enslaved and mistreated there. But I will punish the nation they serve as slaves, and afterwards they will come out with great possessions. After said, Abraham, beside the God of that time, no, and said, "Bedi no be who say, Canaan's has ready, a be in Shana, say, be any Diana, say, be any dinimu." Then the God of that time, no, a man make his sacrifice. So the maker said, the God of Abraham, the God of Jacob, or Nana, is the mother nature. Is the mother nature. All sacrifices are made to the feminine energies. Ejano, o yini baby a ono na person she share mrama o dwen wo kina ho anasa ono na ma baby ti ni papa so ma baby there e bed na wa hwehwe bibi afiri ho because ono ano yin yan say the worship anasa in the heart of the father no unti mpli bibi a wo dini mu dem do be mo na ba fa ne sa. So all gods that take sacrifices a feminine energies. Ahuma enede make sacrifices. Say the yin say one who say the Bible describe an angel of the Father or describing as Oba. Never. Never. So bones the Bible no can say the angel of God and say an angel of the Father no Oba. Say the yin say uko asuma mo jano. How was him treating man no amuma e ma pedie nyina be ma pedie. All those people worship the Father no. Most of the time no munya nim say so bad and sato so a say be wo hia wa adome and I say mo ba ndi wo so. Yes. So all those spirits I'm taking sacrifice on their feminine energies and I say negative energies. So after that, Abraham make sacrifice. No, make sacrifice in way. Okachi Adam say, "Send for back oya nkwa." Awa my and your mama so. The American say, na the God of that time. Talking about Israelites for, but who Israelites for? Me Jacob as if for ma. Jacob is son dini ebe ni Israel amasefo na de ebe Israel for name munya Abraham. Even though Jacob is a descendant of Abraham, but Jacob was the rebirth of Adam. Abraham. Abraham was rebirthed as Jacob. So what Bible ma Jacob in Shira, the God of that time, no, Edishia Jacob, no, in Shira, Odi Shira Abraham. Say, when you are being rebirthed, and I say, when you are being reproducer, it's something like restart. In Shira, now how the Danya Saber shut for. And I said, no, me will be other than the ever started for. So, Abraham was rebirthed as Jacob, no? You know Jacob? Jacob, or Jenny so, in Shida, I know Johnny, and answer papa. That shine say, won't free, uncle, my mania Laban, non call Ninya, Laban Mamba. So do maybe an Jacob, Ninya Eso, Penecon, because I didn't Shida. So, Eso intent them free. Hoy and I didn't chase or call, said your papa there, I son and ancestor of my actual. Now I can Genesis chapter 28, verse 10 downwards now. I see Jacob left Beersheba and set out for Haran. When he reached a certain place, he stopped there for a night because the sun had set. Taking one of the stones there, he put it under his head and laid down to sleep. He had a dream in which he saw a stairway resting on the earth, with its top reaching to heavens, and the angels of God were ascending and descending on it. There above stood the Lord. He said, I am the Lord, the God of your father Abraham, and the God of Isaac. I will give you and your descendant the land in which you are lying. Canaan Sasana, Abraham, they said in Jacob, where it was a promise to Jacob. Jacob, instead of be a promiser, the God of that time, Edimano, or say, I will give you and your descendant the land on which you are lying. Your descendants will be like the dust on the earth, and you will be spread out to the east and to the west and to the east, to the north and to the south. All people on earth will be blessed through you and your offspring. All people on earth will be blessed through you. Said the catcher Abraham say, if you are seeing a baby in Sha, when you didn't know, obey your mind can see it. The same thing now, the same promise near the Edima Jacob. And I say, I am with you and watch. I say, I am with you and will watch over you wherever you go. I will bring you back to this land, and I will not leave you until I have done what I have promised you. Where was the God of not a promise to Jacob, but not a blessing from Abraham? A promise to him direct from the Lord. Because if we are saying do be good piano and no sabi tra until the Son of God and answer Adam and answer Kana it won't cover to onya Abraham mbirimu no o sabi twa so aba wo Jacob mbirimu na the entia Abraham was reincarnated as Jacob and said in the house of the father, no. And so I said you have to be very principled. Them can't say, but if Abraham boy now Abraham is sissy na Abraham no o is sissy for because sissy Pharaoh or catch or say Pharaoh nkwana say sa nyamba abra na de ene because no suru se bikuno na nam sa kwan so Abraham benya ho si tam the same thing was had ko ya Abimelech or ko ya Abimelech dem kan jase so Abraham no wonya no ho na kwa ofaso nya ne ho nya most of the time ne yesisi we no osisi for papa ofa na we defo ba o kwan bi obefa so e dey sisi simple class abcd kura so na Abraham e dey sisi ni nya no but we Jacob nya no na nya onya no ho nya no true trade and asa na ho odim ni fifiri mo odi nya ko so hwe Jacob o gini nya so nsemisa no ni nya eto ton ne penny ne man true trade true trade o kan Bible na o si eso ton ne penny ma Jacob ni mo won sisi no na hwe Jacob nya nya no ho okutan o ma mi nya na se no wo fa Laban ho eko ware ne maba die Jacob nya he de obre nya ye ebien ho di asisie kwa so nya no free Laban nsem so na Jacob very justice so after say Jacob kwatna Laban over 20 years now ahofunu bam na the God of that time send so sanko na chi na mra eso esa ko na chi no emra eso sanko na chi no osuro ye because emra na obale banche emra na nyinya eso penekunu so emra akọ no osuro ye na osmafo amanako bo nunya eso amania say Jacob ba na Jacob do over 4,000 men and then the baby be share no na Jacob eyam share no na Jacob yam share no because now it's already over 4,000 men na eba na obompaye che the God of that time no dem put Jacob mpaye out there a boy okay Genesis chapter 32 verse 9 downwards now I said then Jacob prayed Jacob prayed, "Oh God of my father Abraham and God of my father Isaac, Lord, who said to me, go back to your country and your relatives, and I'll make you prosper. I am unworthy of all the kindness and faithfulness you have shown your servants. I had only my staff when I crossed this Jordan, but now I have become two camps. Save me, I pray, from the hands of my brother Esau, for I am afraid he will come and attack me, and also the mothers with their children. But you have said, I will surely make you prosper, and will make your descendants like the sand of the sea, which cannot be counted." Na Jacob,Ebompaye, said the God of that time, ne say, unsave no, because of say, no so say ni there is obekuno, but ni share akas women share no, enyam bem no opese bem, and send with free asasi we so. So the God of that time, actually directed Jacob to meet the father, because Jacob was enough to battle with the father. So what kind of the Bible now? See Jacob, I say Jacob wrestled with God. Jacob wrestled with God. Now, okay, Genesis chapter 32, verse 22 down verse 9. Or said that night Jacob got up and took his 2 wives, his 2 female servants, and his 11 sons, and crossed the ford of the Jabbok. After he had sent them across the stream, he sent over all his possessions. And Jacob was left alone. And a man wrestled with him till daybreak. Now man be papa bi ene be coin ene be preso, and that man was said to be the father. That man was said to be the father. Yantuaso. I say, when the man saw that he could not overempower him, he touched the circuit of Jacob's hip so that his hip was wrenched. As he wrestled with the man, and the man said, "Let me go, for it is daybreak." But Jacob replied, "I will not let you go unless you bless me." Now after say Jacob ne man pepe so no man ne hunu say the father ne hunu say want me empower, and that's want me for Jacob on to form, and that's ohunu say want me Jacob no opa na cha so man nko na ade e che asem we say Jacob etimi over a power the father nature no. This man and Bible neka say Jacob wrestled no is more refer as this the father no, but more refer the father now as the a certain man because of say a be nyan, and I say be time say because Jacob the ejanesun kunim, and I say the son of God the ejanesun kunim after peri no. And then the son of God obey Jacob it be empower the father, and say Adam, and I said the son of God was actually made like the same, like a little difference. So the son of God is somehow equal to the father. So after the son of God, the power from the mother nature, the father nature no, because all you send in such a pepe. And a biasa be canon. A certain load that said the assam between because now Jacob a woman dear, and then have to in the house of the father no would mean now in now when you nan home. A musu dear in the kingdom of the father and say Ubenya Wabenya Gua and young Hunan dear say a word dear would dream a yaw dear. Net Jacob I was hiding in now. But the father no a blessing no, because of say na ne kure na ede ewo ni mu na ni mu akwa no kure sa se me de me ka se me ko ha baby to the enter Bible no so. I said then the man said, "Let me go, for it is daybreak." But Jacob replied, "I will not let you go unless you bless me." The man asked him, "What is your name?" Jacob answered. Then the man said, "Your name will no longer be Jacob, but Israel, because you have struggled with God and with humans and have overcome." Then, after say the father who went to me about Jacob, no, then what did Jacob say? And same be an Jacob naked piano, what's in a say? Then some man that Jacob didn't say, "We are seeing your being shot." It would indeed say, or bonfire say. A guy, the God of that time, say, "Oh, can't maybe we are seeing that only dim we are say." Them can't say, "So, kind so now let Jacob free the father, no who I say, we are seeing a baby. Every inch that oh, Jacob need dead, it didn't move." So after said the man who want him, the man who say want me over empower Jacob no, or Jacob say no omani ye ho sa say we are nya be ye nhyira through the Son of God. No was a son din to the din Israel. See the name say Israel din no was actually changed. Jacob din was changed to Israel by the father. So in couple between the negative and positive, the mother and the father no started during the time of Jacob. After say or wrestle with the man no, the man neti ase esira no. Say we are saying na yin esira woni gini mu. Because I say eno na Jacob dinam na Jacob empire no. And the father no I accept say nipa ubetimi nya hunya de. But e wo papa mu kwan so de a obeti ase. So that was the time freedom was justice was being stamped. So be a bit me den ho. But it goes with justice. So who can Bible now? Now do baby after said Jacob etimi edi ejanesun kudim na wiase nyina after the Bible yin chire bi wo Jacob din so and answer the Son of God din so e wo kwan so bia be din ho, but it goes with justice. After that we can Bible no go down west bon say what am I can be we can Genesis chapter 5 verse 1 or say then God said to Jacob, go to Bethel and settle there and build an altar there to the God who appeared to you when you were freeing from your brother Esau. And God is actually telling Jacob to go and create an altar to God. Namina wakasa no catch Jacob say uncle create altar to a certain God that ain't no. Okay, I say Genesis chapter 5 verse 1 I say then God said to Jacob, go up to Bethel and settle there and build an altar there to God. Build an altar there to God who appeared to you. Nyamena o appeared to you now, which means yes, Nyamena o kasa samri on appeared to Jacob. Exchange so be you nya ye che oni dinimo, but ne nyam fufuru bi. And that God ne catch and say, go to Bethel and build an altar to the Lord, to God, who appeared to you when you were freed from your brother. That was the time and the father no accepted the worship of the mother nature. And now say incarnate the mother nature as the queen. So so Jacob said to his household and to all who were with him, get rid of your foreign gods you have with you and purify yourself and change your clothes. Come, let us go to Bethel, where I will build an altar to God, who answer me in my days of my distress, who has been with me wherever I go. So they gave Jacob all the foreign gods they had and the rings in their ears. The ring in their ears no we man Jacob no. That rings no and Jacob they built an altar there to the mother nature, the calf. Not the bafflement. There is difference between the bafflement and the calf. After this video, remember we teach you about the difference between the goat and the bafflement, and then the worship of the calf and Kiba Kufuno. The case Lucifer. The case Lucifer. The negative of the father, and I say the opposite of the father now. Only the mother nature. So the father now, I catch Jacob say, Uncle Betty an altar there to the God who appeared to him. And he him say abosumsum and I say the worship of the mother nature and I say the negative energies and then that you create an altar to them. In the worship of the Father, we don't create altar. So they don't go on saying kremufu create altar no. Abosumsum no musi bosom. Musi bibi no why say bosom. Integrating an altar, and I say praying to altar is the worship of the mother nature, not the father. In some say Old Testament nature, no. Old Testament was all the worship about the mother nature. So, okay, say that was the first time the father accepted say the mother nature who be here say they are worshiping. So Jacob created an altar to the mother nature. The omugunusunsa and say mugunusu oil. And so mugunu aswadi be meguno. And that altar no creating, that was the idea. Moses Israel for everything kwasum no no monti Jacob ne nyame ase no Moses ne nyame ase a no Moses kwese butam ba okosum ba no monti ase oba no ma create an altar to the mother nature. Through this idea omo yomosum kawama Jacob na Jacob bury osie omabosom no ofom na omosum kawano as we can when see some kawana of mo or the creating an altar to the Lord. Baba bon person but here saying and the one pregnancy no. Them can't say so Abraham was reincarnated as Jacob to fulfill the promise of say we are seeing that being shira woni dinim. So cry neti Abraham no was the same cry neti Jacob Jacob na sa krana ne krana na Jesus Christ the Son of God. And I said the Alpha no. Because Exodus chapter 4. Because Exodus chapter 4 I said then said to Pharaoh, this is what the Lord says, Israel is my firstborn son. Israel is my firstborn son. Israel is Jacob by basis and indeed Israel. The Lord referred to him as the firstborn son. And like I said, the firstborn son is the same as Adam, the beginner, the only son of God. You know, is you need to say, Okono na nimba yen bimne Noah pencil, Abraham pencil, Jacob pencil. Moses was incarnate of Joseph. On one of these drive for no call her, obey you mufirimu. And Joseph was the same as Isaac. Only carry the blessing of the father. Say, O papa nuha, and only nancy name one. I say, only dinner dear. So this is how the truth utterly unity. Yeah, Jesus Christ did. Now this is how yeah, the mother nature need say, or no, and they prepare the Son of God. A man bet ma a jano a j freedom. So be a pretend home. But it goes with justice, Say the Indian say a jan won't him put winna, I want him prend winna, and for him. They make say the father and for, and I say Oko warrior. If we do only the baby bushyan the but Obusian say Obusian. So the kingdom became a freedom and justice. A freedom and justice. A general pronounced ni nyoma bi gwe say the enka na we kokoti only the onpenima bibia say ni dinimu obi antimi obi ani apede bia o twa bi to twene na ma video or did to say obi ande no ho, but it goes with justice. So freedom and justice actually started the time of Jacob, and as it was being stamped the time of Jacob. Jacob need the father na erese no. The father no je ni di. Eje etene sama se wo shira no se wiase nyina mfa no so wiase nyina emefa no so meye baakofo na asumdwem bra se the Christopher no kan heaven no ubet ma we se osum badwo wani baje ho se de wo se mehwehwe no but enya de ba ko tie obi anaso bi ba de oye bi obi ba be kan ho asem because de ope bi ai de ope dem kan tia se so ma be church about how the son of God no ode ne nsem no ebae no how besim church ne de efae ene how Bible no nsem de esim pick no so the me kan Bible no bia de mimi gidie enye by force so so fa ko bo bra so beti ma se de a na so afa ade bo bra min chenche ne nyan hyese sa na tie ma se ni a kire me na se na de mesome tie ase fa e video me bro fo ne de enko yi papa sa e video me te bro fo but enye ne gidi bia sa en se de make bia na ofa na sa nya fi na be ye bia me nya kwasi broni me ganya ni na me asantini na de ntia me teach from the English Bible and say sana honhom no mo chem from the English Bible enye me hwehwe ni mu ntia me kan brofo na me brofo nya ade a me pe so enene ni besi ya na anda foforo no meto aso but before some meto Bible in church me ba che the difference between the performance and the calf no and then some other things I dey e also ni pa dey ehunu so when you be here and you be saying who how the freedom and justice kingdom made start here anyhow e go see here so say them ding kan no my better about how the son of God no e be in church refer ahinia edi enima e ba no so nti any dey be see here me dem ase na say church no so you den so message so be like na want na be so oba comment na wa share so be the best here the was